back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We finally have it, you guys. We finally have it. Stitch Fix! It has been like exactly like almost like, I can't talk. I'm just too excited. It's been a month, a whole month since I've gotten a Stitch Fix box, and I know that's like normal for you guys. But I have a Style Pass, and I usually get them as often as I can, which is like every 10 days, basically. So we finally have our Stitch Fix box. Let's get into it. Let's read this Stylist Note. I'm just so happy. However, I have a different stylist because I don't know why. Let's read it. Hi Rachel, happy belated birthday fix. This fix was scheduled for March 27th. My birthday was the 30th. It is April 18th today. Due to time restraints, I am not able to send you to your go-to stylist, Kristen, which I love Kristen. She has been so good to me. But if you request her for your next fix, I'll be sure to send you back to her. Thanks. I'm so sorry you had to spend your birthday in quarantine, but I have some fun pieces that should make you smile. Although, we did not have joggers. Which is so weird because I saw so many joggers on the Shop Your Looks. Like, I don't know. Maybe it's just because everyone's requesting like joggers and comfy clothes right now, but although we did not have joggers, I pulled the distressed high-rise jeans you were looking for. They are made by Vigoss, and you can pair them with the comfy Z Supply knit. It has on-trend balloon sleeves and will also... Sorry, I got distracted because the one they're talking about... oh yeah, it's over there. Okay, just kidding. It's right there. It's fine. Anyway, it has on-trend balloon sleeves and will also look great with the Mix by 41 Hawthorn capris for linen-like fabrication. I hope it's linen-like and not just linen, because linen wrinkles like a you-know-what. The pants have functional pockets and will be great for spring. Inspired by your spring pins, I sent the Magnolia Grace pants. Wear them casually with the Mark & Spruce top and let me know if you need a pair of sandals. Enjoy, Monica. So thanks, Monica. We'll give it a go. I love my Kristen, though. Kristen, if you watch this, I love you. Alright, let's get into it. Did I already show you the bundle? Not really. We got this little sweater there. It's got like yellow and white stripes. It's very blue. It's a very blue fix, and it kind of goes with how we've all been feeling. A little bit blue. Got the jeans, pants, sweater. So, we'll rip it open. Crinkle. Alright. First, we have this sweater. It's very soft. Here we are. It is very springy, so I do like it so far. Z Supply Tasha Drop Shoulder Balloon Sleeve Knit Top in Blue XL. There we have it. So it's kind of like the gradient blues and yellows there. It's very springy. It is Michigan colors though, so not great. We're Michigan State here. But it is cute, and I do like the balloon sleeve. It's very soft. Lightweight, so that'll be good for spring. I hope I like that one on me, because I like it not on me. Next we have the Mark & Spruce Paedia Tulip Hem Cowl Neck Knit Top in Navy. And of course you guys know I peeked. As soon as I got that shipment notification, I peeked at what they were sending me. So, here we have this one. Tulip Hem. I believe it has yeah, so it has pockets, so that's nice. Cowl neck, I do like a cowl neck. Pretty blue. And the next three are pants, which like, when I peeked and saw all the pants she was sending me, I knew it wasn't Kristen because she knows I'm a top gal. But these feel nice, very stretchy. They have kind of a cute leaf pattern on them. Wide leg, which... depending on how long they are, could be a bad thing. If they were shorter, then it could be good. But it has a drawstring there. Has pockets, so that's cool. These are the Magnolia Grace Julie Drawstring Wide Leg Pant in Navy. They feel really nice, like they're heavy. Next, these feel very light, very light. Whew, I don't know. I don't know. They kind of remind me of scrubs. They have button on the cuff there. I don't know about these ones. Let's see. Stitch Fix. Mixed by 41 Hawthorn. Brandy button cuffed drawstring capri pant in blue. Size XL. I mean, I just don't know about the fabric and the color, to be honest. But we'll try it. And then last we have the jeans. Vigoss. Jagger. Skinny. I got the moves. Like Jagger. Sorry. It's been a while, my Stitch Fix viewers. I have put out other videos. I've gotten FabFitFun. I just put out a Wantable video. I got my Ipsy box. But I just, nothing beats my Stitch Fix. Vigoss Erika Skinny Distressed Jean in Indigo. So let's do the distressing. Okay. Hi guys. So we got some distressing on the thighs and the knees there. Has a, you know, just a regular cuff. So that's nice. Real front pockets. Real back pockets. Yeah. Alright. Let's get to trying them on. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't worn jeans in a while, so let's get to it. Okay, you guys, here we have the balloon sleeve top. And I think I like it. It's an extra large. I think the length is good for the extra large. The sleeves are maybe a little long, I can't tell. But it's that pretty balloon sleeve. I love a balloon sleeve. It's really soft. What brand was this? This was the Z Supply. So I haven't had anything from Z Supply, I don't think. And I like it. I like the length. They paired it with these pants. Even on the styling card, they had these pants on there and this top together. I don't like the pants. I don't like the pants. I think they're just like super duper average. Let me pan down. Yeah, super average, I think. They have the cuff with the button on them. The material's super thin. I just feel like they just kind of feel like scrub pants. They have the drawstring, real pockets on the front and back at least. I don't like the color, but I like the top so far. So we'll pan back up. Go to the positive. So yeah, I like the top. I think it's cute. I'm going to try it on with the jeans, and because I'd be more likely to wear this with jeans or like to work or something. Here are the jeans, you guys. I actually really like them. I think they suck me in good with my stomach. Front pockets, back pockets. I think they're a good length. I like the distressing. I like the wash. They're stretchy. Oh man, these are probably expensive because they're Stitch Fix jeans. But I think I like them, and I think I like them with this top. Do a little tuck. You pan you back up. Yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? I think I like it. They feel good. This top is so soft. Do you think I need to size down to a large though? I don't know. Or do you think the extra large is good? Because I think it's supposed to be like slouchy, this top, because it's the drop shoulder. I don't know. Gotta fluff my hair. Fluffing my hair just makes me feel better about everything. I don't know what it is. Maybe because I'm vain. I don't know. But yeah, what do you guys think? Next we have the Market & Spruce top. It's a pretty color. It's soft. It's Market & Spruce. I love Market & Spruce. I like a cowl neck. But we're getting into spring and I kind of want like lighter springy colors. I really like the tulip hem. The pockets are cool. But this tulip hem, like most tulip hems I've seen, they kind of just like go here to here on the bottom. But look at this. This tulip hem goes all the way up. Isn't that weird? And then it folds over here. So then you have like this weird fold on your side boob. So I think this is a no. I want some more, you know, brighter colors. I like the idea of it a lot. I have like tulip hemmed pinned things on my Pinterest. If you ever want to go to my Pinterest, I think it's eyebrow06 probably. That's all my stuff. Instagram's eyebrow06, Poshmark's eyebrow06. Check it out. But yeah, so I think this is a no. It's really soft. I think if I got this in the winter time, like, you know, November, I might have kept it. But it's a no for this time. Okay, so next we have the Drawstring pants. I don't remember. These are Magnolia Grays. And they're really soft. They're really comfortable. They're really stretchy. However, they're really long. So let me pan down. You might see my dog. Oh, yeah, there she is. So they're pretty long on me. I prefer things like if they were tapered or if they were a wide leg to be like a capri like that. And then I might consider getting them, but they're just too long for something that I would only really wear around the house. I don't know. I don't like things to drag at the bottom. Come here, baby. Here's my baby girl. Here's my baby girl. She has been too used to me being at home, but she's been recuperating. She had a surgery a month ago. Almost to the day. Right? Right? Yeah. Oh, say hi. Hi. Yes, I love you. Anywho, so these are the pants. I like the pattern. I like the feel of them. I just wish they were shorter. What can you do? They did have it paired with like a top this color, and this is the only thing I have. I just tied it up a little bit so you could see the waist and everything. Super stretchy. Oh, I just wish they were shorter. Alright, let's go over prices. I don't know what I just did with my hand there, but let's go over prices. Okay, friends, let's go over prices. A lot of pants. A lot of pants in that box. I like the jeans though, so let's see how much those are. Because I do still have credit from all you lovely ladies and maybe a gentleman or two signing up. So thank you so much. I am going to put a referral link down below for my mom's Stitch Fix because I've capped out for the year on my referrals. So if you want to try Stitch Fix, you can get $25 towards your first box. And yeah, you can use my mom's link and she would get $25 too. It'd be super sweet of you. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed and you like these kind of videos. I try to do the Stitch Fix, like I said, every like 10 days or so, but with everything going on in the world, very understandable. It was very late. Anywho, let's go over prices. So the Mark & Spruce Tulip Hem Cowl Neck in navy was $64. Not doing that. The Z Supply Tasha Drops Shoulder Balloon Sleeve in blue is $58. I did like that one. That's a maybe though, because that's like $60 for a top, and I'm pretty sure I could find something similar for a little bit less elsewhere. It was very, very soft though. The Vigoss Erika Skinny Distressed Jean in indigo was $68. Those were really, really comfy. Sometimes I don't have good luck with Stitch Fix jeans, but I have been having good luck on the Shop Your Looks page on the app. I should be actually having a pair delivered today, so maybe I'll try those on and see before I check out on this. But I did order a pair today, and they were by Reverie, and they were $38 on the Shop Your Looks. I also got another pair from Reverie that was $38 on the Shop Your Looks. So why aren't they sending me $38 jeans in my box? I don't know. But anyway, so those jeans are $68. They were very comfortable, very stretchy. I like the distressing. I like the wash. So those are the front runner because the other two I'm not getting. The Magnolia Grace Julie Drawstring Wide Leg Pant in navy, $58. Look, I'm telling you, she just wanted to send me blue things this fix. I don't even know. And then Mixed by 41 Hawthorn, the Brandy button cuff pants. Those were $44. So the stylist pick subtotal, this is how you know it was not my regular stylist because she knows I don't want my box price this high. Stylist pick subtotal $292. Buy all discount of 25% would be $73 off, making it $219 if I bought everything. Which $219 is the price. Look at my hand. $219 is the price that I usually want it to start at and then take 25% off that. So yeah, no. So yeah, I'm really leaning towards those jeans. They were cute. They fit well. But we'll see what those other jeans are like when I get those today. And if I keep the jeans, I could use my credit. So I might just do that. We'll see. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I missed you, all my loyal Stitch Fix viewers. Check out my other videos though, because I did do some other things. And, you know, those videos could use some love too. Again, give a big thumbs up if you liked it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys soon with another video, and I hope you guys are doing well. Love ya. Mwah. And I will see you guys next time.